Okay, we've used our 4-inch belt sander and we got the neck all rounded down with that. Then I took my palm sander and went over the entire head to smooth it down, get some of the rough spots out. I've got the ears made and sanded down. We're going to use an 1.25 inch stick for this. And you can see we still got our mark down here for our center, so we know where to drill that. Also, it fits in here properly, so that's what we wanted with that. You want to be sure when you're putting your head in the vise, you want to keep your back on so you don't split your wood when you tighten it down. We're going to go up here. It's about a little over 2.5 inches or so. So we're going to drill our hole for our stick in. Okay, we've got our hole drilled. So we're going to take our stick and we're going to mount our stick in here, glue it, let it set up, then we can go on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching.